Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the Pokemon Oddish. So we are going to start drawing Oddish by doing a circle. So I'm not going to complete the circle. I'm just going to almost complete it. So we got a little spot here left. And right there in that spot, I'm going to start doing the leaves on Oddish's head. So I'm coming up like that, and coming on down. And he's got a few. So I'm going to put another one here, and one here. Kind of poking off the page. And right here, and right there. And I can kind of put a line kind of going through the middle of each one. Like that. Just kind of helps it to look more leaf-like. And I'm going to do a shape like that. I just did like an oval with a circle in it there. So those are going to be his eyes. And I'm going to give him like a little smile, but he's going to have his mouth open like that. So it's really widely open. And a little line like that. So we got his little tongue and one little foot and another little foot. So it's almost like he's jumping up. All right, so I think he's really, really cute. And I'm gonna start to add some color. All right, everyone, so we are finished our picture of Oddish. I think he turned out really, really cute. Thank you so much for drawing with me today, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, everybody, goodbye.